Hi, I'm John Calais, Chief Legal and Compliance Officer of Stewart Information Services Corporation, and I'm here to introduce the tutorial video for the new and improved Virtual Underwriter. In my position, I'm responsible for the underwriting, claims, litigation, compliance, and regulatory issues for the Stewart family of companies. So I understand what a great tool Virtual Underwriter is when dealing with title and underwriting issues. We created the site to be the perfect complement to Stewart's team of best-in-industry underwriters who assist you with your underwriting needs each and every day. So it features on-demand access to all the information necessary for underwriting a real estate transaction, including the latest bulletins, a state-by-state guide to real estate practices, a comprehensive collection of policy forms and endorsements, guidelines on how and when specific endorsements can be used, a link to the search U.S. Department of the Treasury's list of specially designated nationals and blocked persons, a list of standard exceptions, and a comprehensive underwriting manual. To make Virtual Underwriter an even more valuable tool for you, we've recently upgraded the site. This tutorial will take you through the new features, including the ability to view documents by location, a recently viewed documents tracker, a navigable reading pane, streamlined site navigation featuring a breadcrumb trail, a global search feature, multiple document download options, and a floating table of contents for the underwriting manual. I strongly encourage you to watch the entire tutorial. I'm sure you'll find it and the new Virtual Underwriter incredibly helpful. Thank you for your time, and most of all, thank you for your business.
Hello, and welcome to Virtual Underwriter. This brief tutorial will help you navigate our website. The opening screen is the home page. At any time during your browsing session, you can click the Home button to return to this page. VU is organized into categories that can be found at the top of the screen: forms, bulletins, real estate practices, standard exceptions, underwriting manual, and special alerts. We also have informational links located at the bottom of the screen. For a summary of what Virtual Underwriter has to offer, click About VU at the bottom of the screen. This page provides a summary of our web content. For additional information, click the Frequently Asked Questions link on the far right. Here you will find answers to common questions about VU. To contact a Stewart underwriter, click the Underwriting Contacts link in the middle of the page. This will take you to the underwriting map on the Stewart.com website. Click on Underwriting Counsel for a list of primary and secondary contacts for each state. Let's return to the home page. From here, you can access our categories. You can view recent bulletins and recent forms. You can also search by keyword or select a location for state-specific information. From the top navigation panel, click Forms to view ALTA, CLTA, STG, and state forms. The ALTA, CLTA, STG forms are here. The state forms are here. Let's click the STG forms. The STG Overlimits form is located at the top of the STG Forms list. Here you will also find the Overlimits Endorsement Supplement and the High Liability Mechanics Lien Approval Form. Click Show Reading pane to maintain access to the forms while viewing a particular form. You can print or download our forms or access guidelines, which provide instructions on how and when specific forms should be used. To exit the reading pane, click the X at the top right of the navigation panel. Click Control F to find a form by keyword. You can also access our guidelines from the Forms landing page by clicking here. On this screen, you will have access to our ALTA, CLTA, STG, and state-specific guidelines. Our guidelines are also located at the bottom of each corresponding form. From the top navigation panel, click Bulletins to access national, multi-state, and state-specific bulletins. Here you will find a list of recently issued bulletins. Select a state from the pull-down menu to access state-specific bulletins. This is the Illinois Bulletins list. Here you will find Illinois bulletins and multi-state bulletins relating to Illinois. You can also access national bulletins and special alerts. Our Real Estate Practices section is a state-by-state guide on how real estate is transferred, including information regarding recording fees, transfer taxes, search requirements, witness requirements, and more. This is the Missouri Real Estate Practices section. The categories are listed here, and the content can be found by clicking on a category or scrolling down. Click Back to Top at any time to return to the categories. You can also print or download information as a PDF or Word document. Click Standard Exceptions to view national and state-specific standard exceptions. The national exceptions are located here, near the top of the page. By clicking the letter, you can find the category. Click on the category to expand the list. Then click on the exception. Here are the pending disbursement clauses. Go back to top and you can view related references. Click Underwriting Manual to access the National Underwriting Manual and state supplements. Choose the letter of the category you want to view. Here is a discussion of mechanics lien coverage. The related references are here in the left-hand navigation panel. You can access related bulletins, standard exceptions, and all of the state supplements. You can also use the floating table of contents to continue viewing the subsection while you read. Click Special Alerts to view the Special Alerts list or search the database. To expand the Special Alerts list, click the Show All button at the top of the list. To search the database, click the Search Now button on the left. Let's return to the home page. Here, at the top right corner, you can select a location, view state-specific information. You can also access your recently viewed documents or open the State Laws and Customs Toolkit. To run a keyword search on VU, click on the Home button and enter your keyword into the search bar. You can filter your results by document type and location. To search a specific section of VU, access that section. The search bar on top will automatically filter by document type. Click Show Reading Pane to view a document while maintaining access to the search results. Thank you for joining me today for this tour